Hello everyone, and welcome to the section 3 in the Artificial Intelligence in 3 Hours, working with deep learning. In this section, we are going to discover a new approach in artificial intelligence, called deep learning. We are going to move from traditional machine learning algorithms to the cutting-edge algorithms called neural networks. In this video, we are going to explain the task that we will be solving throughout this section, called Boston housing. And the idea of the task is to use all features that we can possibly get concerning housing properties in a particular area. In this case, we have Boston area information, and we are going to use this information to predict or estimate the price of each real estate there is in that area. Our task is to use neural networks to solve this problem. Then, we are going to decide what features to use, and everything is going to be a part of this problem, which is not very simple, because there are a lot of things that will determine the price of each real estate. Some are pretty straightforward. For example, size of a property. Does it have a pool? How many bedrooms or bathrooms are there? Those are features that are specific for each property. Now, there are certain features that will impact the price as well. Those are not so obvious. For example, we have crime rate in a particular area, which have significant impact on a price. Is there an industrial zone close by? We will also going to take student-teacher ratio into consideration. All these features will play a role in our price prediction. That is it for this video.